Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. This video will show you how to install the LiftMaster 841LM automatic garage door lock. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. The procedures demonstrated should only be performed by trained professional installers and service technicians. Safe operation and servicing requires that you follow all instructions and safety advisories found in the manual. To locate a trained professional installer or service technician, go to liftmaster.com/locate-a-dealer. The 841LM automatic garage door lock is compatible with LiftMaster garage door openers that bear the security shield. For this demonstration, we'll be wiring to a model 8550W garage door opener. If there is already an 8550W garage door opener installed, look for the security shield. If you don't see it, you'll need to purchase and install the new 8550W that does bear the security shield. Close the garage door. Disconnect power to the garage door opener by unplugging it. If the opener is equipped with a battery, disconnect that too. Remove any manual locks and ropes from the garage door before installing the automatic garage door lock. The provided label has a template for drilling the holes you'll need. This can be placed on the outside of the track or the inside of the track, depending on which is easier for you to reach with your drill. To determine where to place the label, locate the third roller from the floor. Make sure the bracket that holds the door track to the wall is not in the way. If it is, use the next highest roller. Locate the horizontal center of the roller and mark the location on the door track. From this mark, measure up 3 1/4 inches and make a second mark. Manually release the door from the trolley by pulling down and back on the emergency release handle. Open the garage door. Mark the inside of the track at the same height as the second mark. If you're attaching to the inside of the track, make sure the area is free of grease. Peel off the backing, align the top of the label with the second mark, and attach it to whichever side of the track is easiest to access with a drill. Make sure the label is centered. Drill a pilot hole in the center of each hole on the template using a 1/8 inch drill bit. This will prevent the larger drill bits from moving during drilling. Drill all 3 holes using a 5/16 inch drill bit. Drill the center hole using a 3/4 inch drill bit. We recommend using a step drill bit that includes both 5/16 and 3/4 inch size gradations. You'll need to pay attention to the template to ensure that you stop drilling when the step drill bit reaches the correct size. When you're done drilling the holes, be sure to file down any sharp edges. Using a number 1 Phillips head screwdriver and the provided screws, mount the automatic lock to the outside of the track, making sure the bolt is positioned to go through the center hole. Do not use power tools. Use the manual release to check that the deadbolt has clearance to fit through the center hole. If the bolt is interfering with the track, remove the lock from the track and widen the center hole. Slide the manual release on the lock to the open position. If you're installing a second automatic garage door lock on the other side of the door, follow the same installation steps. Manually close the garage door. Run the wire from the lock to the garage door opener. You'll need to supply insulated staples to secure the wire in several places. Open the light lens on the garage door opener. There are 2 lock terminals located next to the adjustment buttons. Plug the wire from the lock into either terminal. Reconnect power to the garage door opener, including the battery, if applicable. Pull down on the emergency release handle. With the lock in the open position, cycle the garage door open and closed. Check to see that the lock engages when the door is closed and disengages before the door begins to open. Your installation is complete. For more information, visit us on the web at liftmaster.com.